Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Olight ArkPro. They sent this to me a few months ago to review. It was supposed to come out, I believe, back in September, but they had some delays, so they asked me to hold off on posting the video. It actually just released back in November, but I got tied up with some other videos and stuff like that for some other releases. So here I am. I'm going to make this video now, but I've been using this for a few months. I believe I got this back in like end of August, beginning of September. And it's a great flashlight. I actually use this a lot. I keep it on my nightstand. I'll carry it with me now that it's getting darker outside earlier. I do work outside slightly, so it does come in handy. But it does have a few different features that I want to go over in the video. And if you guys have seen these flashlights before, there's a couple new improvements that the new ArkPro has versus the previous versions. So it does still have the wireless, magnetic charging cable, which is very cool. If you use this like as an everyday carry flashlight, you can come home, slap it on there, you're good to go. No plugging cables, unplugging and plugging cables, stuff like that. But this year they do have a USB-C port here on the side as well. So if you want to plug in and charge via USB-C, you are not stuck using their magnetic cable, which is very nice. But the new features, well, I think these features run some of the other flashlights, but that's one of the new features, the USB-C. We'll go ahead and turn it on here. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it in video, but we have the flashlight mode, or sorry, we have the floodlight mode right there. We have the flashlight, which is more of a concentrated beam versus the floodlight right there. And then next one over, we have, now you guys can't really see this because it's not too bright on here on camera. Let me see if I'll turn the brightness all the way up, but it's a little purple. You can kind of see some UV stuff there, some gunk that reacts to UV light. So it has a built-in UV light, which is pretty cool. And you can just toggle those modes by flipping the little switch here. And then on the button in the middle here, so you've got on, off, and then if you're on one of the flashlight modes, you can just hold it and go through the brightness. So that has two different brightness settings. Oops, sorry. You can double tap to go to max full, full boost brightness right there. If you hold it, that puts it into a lock mode, so you don't accidentally toggle the light on or off, in your pocket or something like that. Turn it back up to full brightness. You have your brightness indicator right here, your battery indicator right here. And then if we switch it over to the flashlight or the flashlight mode, you've got your brightness settings there. And then you've got your full brightness right there. Very, very bright flashlight, I might add. I actually usually use it on the lower, or kind of the medium setting, the 2 right there. So that's about right there. It's pretty good for, if I'm looking for something at night, or, drop something beside my bed or under my bed, I'll pull this thing right off my nightstand, and it's really easy to find what I'm looking for. One other cool feature is it does have a green laser built in. Of course, use this responsibly, but right there, you can see that. You can also use it with any of the flashlight modes on. So the UV light or the flashlight mode on, you can use the laser. So you can just quick press it for on and off. Or if you want to hold it, you can hold it, and that does just a momentary, on and off for the laser. So if you want to point at something or something like that, obviously, like I said, use that responsibly. But very, very nice flashlight. Battery life is really good. I've never actually had the battery bars drop. I'll just plug it in and charge it time to time, but I've never used this to the point where I've had to worry about running out of battery or the battery's gotten low or anything like that. It's a nice metal build. It's got a nice clip on it right here, which, as you can see, does have some screws on it. So if you want to remove that, you can. But you have the little pocket clip right here on the back side, and then you have the other clip right there. So there's multiple different ways you can clip it into a pocket, or to a bag or something like that for easy on-the-go carry. So great flashlight, one of my favorite flashlights. I'm not, I'm somebody that I usually just use my phone flashlight, but this right here, I do enjoy carrying this. It's very versatile, has a lot of different functions and features, and is just a great overall small little flashlight. I've seen mechanics use these, people outdoors, all different sorts of uses for it. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Great gift for anybody that needs a little light this holiday season. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.